Good morning, all of you students. Today we are going to start our lecture. In that lecture, I am going to teach you coordination compound. Coordination compound is formed by transition metals. In the modern periodic table, transition metals are included in group 3 to group 12 and in periods from group 4 to 7, that is 3D, 4D, 5D and 6D series. Before the study of coordination compounds, we learn some basic concepts which is related to coordination compounds. Here, first we learn the coordination chemistry. Then what is coordination chemistry? The branch of chemistry which deals with study of coordination compound. What is coordination chemistry? The branch of chemistry which deals with study of coordination compound or complex ion. This branch is known as coordination chemistry. Then, before the study of definition of coordination compound, we learn the structure of cisplatin. The cisplatin is therapeutic drug which is used for cancer treatment. In the March 2017, MCQ is asked as cisplatin drug is used for treatment of 4 options are: A is cancer, B is malaria, C is AIDS and D is yellow fever. Then answer is A, option A, that is cancer, because cisplatin drug which is used for treatment of the cancer. Then here central position includes or consists of platinum metals. Here 2 ammonia molecules are present. Here negatively charged 2 chlorine atoms are present which surround 2 central metal atoms. Then what is coordination compounds? The compounds in which central metal atom is surrounded by any species, or the compounds in which central metal atom is surrounded by oppositely charged ions, neutral molecules, or in rare case positively charged ions. That compound is known as coordination compounds. What is coordination compounds? The compounds in which central metal atom is surrounded by neutral molecules or negatively charged ion. That compound is known as the coordination compounds. Then how coordination compound is formed? Here we see that nitrogen which consists of lone pair, here chlorine also consists of lone pair, extra electron pair for donation. When coordination compound is formed, when these neutral molecules or negatively charged ion donates electron pair to central metal atom, that's time coordination compound is formed. In general, in covalent bond, each carbon atom share 1 electrons. Then it form carbon single bond. When it share 2 electrons, then it form double bond. When each carbon share 3 electrons, then it form the triple bonds. That means this one covalent bond consists of 2 electrons. This covalent bond also consists of 2 electrons. Here, in coordination compounds, the bond is formed between central metal atom and nitrogen, or central metal atom and chlorine. But in that bond, the electrons are donated from only nitrogen or only chlorines. Here we see that electrons are shared. But in that compounds, electron is donated by surrounded molecules. Electrons are donated by surrounded molecules, and these surrounded molecules is known as ligands. This surrounded molecule is known as ligands. Then now we study the coordinate bonds. What is coordinate bond? Coordinate bond. What is coordinate bond? The bond between central metal atom and ligands. The bond between central metal atom and ligands, that bond is known as the coordinate bonds. This pointed arrow represents that from ligand toward the central metal. It indicates that the two electrons are donated by nitrogen toward the platinum metals. Same in chlorine atoms. Then according to the Lewis theory, acid and base are defined as, according to Lewis theory, the species which accept electron pairs, that species is known as the Lewis acid. Here platinum metal or in coordination compound central metal which accept a pair of electron. Hence according to the Lewis theory, central metal, here platinum, act as the Lewis acid, and this ammonia molecule chlorine atom which donates electron pair toward the platinum metals. Hence ammonia molecules, chlorine atom or ligands, they are act as the Lewis base. In short, central metal atom is electron deficient and ligands, they are the electron rich. Ligands, they are the electron rich. Okay. Then here we study the most important points. Ligands. The question on ligands was asked in March 2017, July 2016, February 2016 for 2 or 3 months. The question is, what are ligands? What are ligands? How are they classified? What is question? What are ligands? How are they classified? Then what is ligands? In short or in general, here is central metal atom is present. Here ammonia molecules are present. Here chlorine molecules are present which surround the central metal platinum. And these surrounded molecules, surrounded ions, these are known as the ligands. What is ligands? A species which coordinate to central metal atom. A species which coordinated to central metal atom in coordination compound is known as ligands. Is known as ligands. Then depending on the nature of donor atoms, ligands are mainly classified into 3 important types, that is monodentate or unidentate. Here dentate means denticity or toothed. Denticity or toothed. Then mono itself indicates single donor groups or only one donor groups. Here polydentate ligands. Poly means many. Poly means many. Polydentate ligands are also known as multidentate ligands. Here ambidentate ligands. Then we study the monodentate ligands. What is meant by monodentate ligands? The ligands which have only one donor groups. The ligands which have only one donor groups. These ligands are known as the monodentate ligands. What is monodentate ligands? The ligands which have only one donor groups, single donor groups, that groups which is known as the monodentate ligands. Then some examples of monodentate ligands. For example, OH, here oxygen atom, here single oxygen atom is donor, hence this is the example of monodentate ligands. Then second example, cyanide ion, here nitrogen atom is donor, hence this is also the monodentate ligands. Then next Cl negative These are single chlorine atom is donor group, hence these are also example of monodentate ligands. Okay, then we learn the some Lewis structure and identify the donor group in that structure. For example, in ammonia molecules, only one donor group is in ammonia molecules, atomic number of nitrogen is 7 and its electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p3. In the p orbital, 3 orbitals are present, 2px, 2py, 2pz. In the first orbital, 1 unpaired electron, both consist of the 1 unpaired electron, and this 2s orbital is fulfilled, which consists of 2 electrons, one in upward direction and another one in downward direction. Here ammonia molecule is formed by the sharing of 1 electron, 1 unpaired electron to each hydrogen atoms. These 3 unpaired electrons from nitrogen is shared with hydrogen atoms to form the 3 covalent bonds. But this 2s orbital is fulfilled, which do not involve in bonding. It acts as the lone pair, which is represented on head of nitrogen, and this nitrogen act as donor. This nitrogen act as donor. Hence, in NH3 molecule, nitrogen is donor atom and donor atom is 1. Hence, ammonia molecule is example of monodentate ligands. Then second example, water molecules, H2O. Here oxygen atom, atomic number is 8. Here hydrogen is atomic number 1, electron configuration 1s1. Oxygen atom, atomic number 8, its electronic configuration 1s2, 2s2 and 2p4. In the p orbital, 2p, 2px, 2py, 2pz. Here 1, 2 according to Hund's rule of maximum multiplicity. Then 4 electrons, that is 2px2, 2py1, 2pz1, and 2s orbital, which consists of 2 electrons, one in upward direction and another one in downward direction. Here only 2 unpaired electrons are present. Here only 2 unpaired electrons are present in oxygen. Hence, 2 electrons are shared with 2 hydrogen atoms as represented in structure, and remaining 2 pair of electrons, that is 2s and 2px2. 2 electrons pair act as the lone pairs. Hence, these pairs are represented as. Then these oxygen consist of the electrons. These oxygen act as the electron rich. Hence, oxygen act as the Lewis base, and oxygen is the donor group. And only one donor group is present. That's reason this is also example of the monodentate ligands. Okay. Then, what is polydentate ligands? What are the examples of polydentate ligands? In monodentate, one donor group is present. Then in polydentate, the ligand which has 2 or more than 2 donor groups, the ligands which has 2 or more than 2 donor groups, that ligand is known as the polydentate ligands. Polydentate, they are also known as the multidentate ligands. Depending on donor groups, they are further divided into 2 important types: bidentate ligands and hexadentate ligands. Then, what is bi? What is meant by bi? Bi means 2. Bi means 2. What is bidentate ligands? The ligands which has 2 donor groups, is known as bidentate ligands. in monodentate ligand. What is monodentate ligand? The ligand which has only one donor group, single donor group, that is known as monodentate ligand. So what is bidentate? Bi means two. The ligand which has two donor groups, that ligand is known as bidentate ligands. Then what are the examples of bidentate ligands? First example, ethylene diamine. Ethylene diamine. In short, it is represented as EN. Ethylene diamine is represented as EN. For example, how to draw the structure of ethylene diamine? Here ethylene. First we write the CH2, then di means 2, and amine indicate the NH2. Here also second NH2, which consists of the electron pair, which is known as the lone pair, to donate the central metal atoms. Here two donor groups are present. In monodentate only one donor group is present. In bidentate here two nitrogen atoms, they are the donor groups. Hence ethylene diamine is the example of bidentate ligands. Each donor group donate one pair. Here two donor groups are present. They donate the two pair. Hence 4 electrons are donated to the central metal atoms. Then second example, oxalate ion. Oxalate ion. In short, oxalate, it is represented as OX, and the formula is C2O. Second example of bidentate ligand is oxalate ion, and the structure is C double bond O, single bond C, double bond O. This oxygen atom is electron rich. Two oxygen atoms are electron rich, which donate the electron pair to central metal atom. Hence, this is also example of the bidentate ligands. Okay. Then next type of polydentate ligands, hexadentate ligands. Hexa. Here mono means one donor group, bi means two donor group, and hexa means 6 donor groups. The ligands which has 6 donor group, that ligand is known as the hexadentate ligands. What is hexadentate ligands? The ligands which have 6 donor groups, these ligands are known as the hexadentate ligands. Example of hexadentate ligand is ethylene diamine tetraacetate. In short, it is represented as EDTA. In short, it is represented as EDTA. The structure of EDTA is represented as here. Diamine means 2 amine group is present. Tetra indicate the 4 acetate groups are present. 2 from amine and 4 from tetra. Total became 6. Hence, these ligands are known as the hexadentate ligands. Then, how to draw the structure of ethylene diamine tetraacetate? Here, first we draw the structure of ethylene. CH2 bond. Both side carbon consist of nitrogen. Here, acetate. The formula of acetate is CH3 C double bond O negative. Here 4 acetate groups are present. 2 acetate groups attached to right side nitrogen, 2 acetate group attached to left side nitrogen atoms. Then we write the acetate group. This is the first acetate group, CH2 C double bond O negative, CH2 C double bond O negative. Here also we write the CH2 C double bond O negative. Here also CH2 C double bond O negative. 4 structure are same. Here 4 donor groups are present. 4 are oxygen atoms from acetate group and 2 are the nitrogen atoms from amine groups. This is the structure of ethylene diamine tetraacetate. The structure of ethylene diamine tetraacetate is also represented as here we write first ethylene group CH2, here nitrogen, and these two acetate groups are represented here CH2, C double bond O negative. Second acetate group here CH2, C double bond O negative. These are also here CH2, C double bond O negative. Here CH2, C double bond O negative. Then what is hexa? Hexa here 6 donor groups are present, 2 from amine and 4 from acetate. This is first donor group, second donor group, third donor group, fourth, fifth, and this one is the sixth. These types of compounds is known as chelated compounds. These types of compound is known as chelated compounds, and the metal which is represented or the metal which is trapped in chelating ligands or chelating compounds is known as metal chelates. The metal which is right in chelating ligand is known as the metal chelates, and such types of ligands are known as the chelating ligands. This compound is known as chelating compound, and whole process is called as chelation. Whole process is called as chelation. Okay, then last type of ligands is ambidentate ligands. Then what is ambidentate ligands? What is ambidentate ligands? For example, here NO2, two donor groups are present. One is nitrogen and another one is oxygen. Here two donor groups are present, but at one time only one donor group can send or can donate electron to the central metal atoms. Here second donor group oxygen, they are represented as ONO, and which donate the electron to central metal as represented above. In this structure available two donor groups are present, but in the first structure only nitrogen donate the electron to metal, and in the second structure only oxygen donate the electron pair toward the central metal. But molecular formula of both compounds is same, NO2. That is, available two donor groups are present, but donation is carried out by only one donor group. That compound is known as ambidentate ligands. Then what is ambidentate ligands? Ambidentate ligand is different from bidentate ligands. In bidentate ligands, two donor groups are present, and both donor group donates electron to central metal atom at one time. But in ambidentate ligands, available two donor groups are present, but donation is carried out by only one donor group, either by nitrogen or either by oxygen. What is ambidentate ligand? The ligands which has two donor groups, but coordination compound is formed by only one donor group, is known as ambidentate ligands. In IUPAC, NO2 group is known as nitro and ONO group is known as nitrito. Then second example, SCN, in common name SCN thiocyanate. SCN thiocyanate. Here two donor groups are present. One is the sulfur and one is the nitrogen. When the compound is formed, either sulfur or either nitrogen donate the electron pair to central metal. When the sulfur donate electron pair to metal, that's time in IUPAC this compound is known as thiocyanate. But when nitrogen donates electron pair to central metal atoms, then these compounds are known as isothiocyanate. In IUPAC, first one is known as thiocyanate, second one is known as isothiocyanate. Okay, then today's homework for that lecture, question 1, what are ligands, how are they classified? Question 2, what are bidentate ligands, give one example. Question 3, define coordination compound, second coordinate bond. In MCQ, cisplatin drug is used for treatment of option A cancer, B malaria, C AIDS, D yellow fever, which was first in March 2017. Lecture, I will provide notes